Hello everybody! My name is Shweihninzy and look who's back! We still have that other video to film. You guys made that video go up to 1,000 likes in no time at all. But I don't think he wants to have his makeup done.
I said I'd do it.
We need to film. We need to do it. Today I have a video with Dolls Kill and he's going to be reacting to some Valentine's Day outfits that I picked out from their website. So let's see his reaction. Boyfriend reacts to outfits. Oh, I'm one of those YouTubers. Let's go. I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
They sent over this little lip set. So Dolls Kill actually sells makeup as well. They have Lime Crime on there and a couple other brands. So they sent this little thing and oh my gosh, these colors I'm living for. So it comes with a lip liner, a liquid lipstick, this like shimmer, and then this is like it's like a gloss, I think, which is really, really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with this. This is in the color Angel. Your eyes closed. Okay, open.
It's a look.
That's the look. This is too big, look.
Oh yeah, this is a little big, isn't it?
Yeah, there's no like belt loops in the front. So the bottoms are a medium and the top's a small. But this is like too small.
Yeah.
The medium's like too big.
Very edgy. You look like a Halloween witch.
Look at you, has a little cross right here. So edgy. Can you see? So these aren't from Dolls Kill, but this is, and this is from Dolls Kill.
Is the belt part of the...
Yeah, this is part of it. But like there's no belt loops in the front. I wish there were like belt loops here. Because look at it, just falls right out.
The shoe on the shoes.
Yeah, I did. These are mine. It's a look. Okay. Like, how would you rate this from 1 to 5? 5 being the best, 1 being the worst.
I don't know. Maybe a 2 or 3.
2 or 3? I'm surprised that you said like a 1.
Depends on the time of year.
No.
In October it might be higher.
So, there's that. Okay, let's go to look number 2. This like schoolgirl.
See-through top. I mean, it's interesting. I don't know.
But I don't know, I had it with leggings before, but then like it looked kind of funny.
Yeah,
Where this makes it look, I don't know.
I think the jeans might be what's throwing me off.
Oh really?
Yeah.
You don't like it with jeans? It would look better with leggings?
I don't know.
Should I put the black ones back on?
You can try.
I had purple leggings with it to make it a little bit different. Should I put black leggings on?
Maybe.
Okay, I'll put black leggings on. This part, like the whole thing is see-through. I think you're supposed to wear this like a black bra thing. But I just kept the black. I think you're supposed to wear it with like shorts.
Yeah, maybe. Well, the top's kind of cute and I kind of like it, but like I said, it's something in the whole thing is missing, kind of.
I don't know what though. Okay, so what's this one?
I think I like it better than the last one.
Oh, you like it better than the last one?
I think it has more potential. I like it.
It's probably more summery.
Yeah.
A 3? Okay. Are you ready for this one? This one requires some. So I've got some. Okay, so this is a little. You gotta wear like a black one or something, but obviously it's a little risky. I think this is meant to be like lingerie, but nobody got time for that. So I did this, and then got these like holy things on with some black heels.
I definitely like this one.
You like this one? I know, I think it's kind of cute. That's why it's kind of like, I don't know. You can straight up see through it. obviously. So I don't know if you'd have to get like a black one or something. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Go on what you mean.
The boogie poppin'.
This is a 5.
This is a 5.
Mm-hmm.
Almost not a 6.
Oh.
Oh, this next one's gonna be a 6. So you ready for this one? I don't think you can handle this next one. Best one for last. You ready for this?
Mm-hmm. Let's
okay.
See.
It's falling off. Okay.
Oh, I kind of like it.
It's falling down. How am I supposed to wear this?
You're a choker.
I know. I had it without it and I forgot it came with this.
Mm-hmm.
It's a look.
Here's the look.
So those were all of my outfits. And I'm thinking you didn't like the last one too much. Why?
Oh, I just didn't think it matched your style, your vibe.
Not vibe.
You know, you don't really have the goth chick vibe.
I know I did. They have some other really cool stuff on their Valentine's Day section on their website, so definitely check those out. But if you definitely think you can rock that stuff, because I certainly cannot, I was trying to be a little adventurous.
Oh,
but that one, yeah, I know.
Adventurous.
Yeah, for sure. So what would you rate the last one? Did you rate the last one?
I'm not giving it a solid 4. I mean, I think it still looked good on you. You can
I don't know how you
could
could wear that out in public though.
It'd have to be a special occasion.
I know, you gotta be a stick. Any girl that can pull that kind of stuff off though, props to them for sure. Definitely. But yeah, so out of all of the outfits, which one was your favorite?
Well, I think you know that it was the third one.
The third one with the poopy jacket. I gotta figure out which bra to wear like with that instead of that nude one, because that's definitely, I think like I said, that's lingerie, but I want to wear that as a shirt. It's pretty comfy.
It's pretty edgy too.
Pretty edgy. Being edgy without, you know what I'm saying? Look at my man with a edge. Oh, leather jacket. Just trying to match your vibe. That bad boy vibe.
Oh, that bad boy vibe.
But anyway, all the links to everything will be down below, so definitely check those out. If you want to, you can follow me on Instagram at Shweihninzy. And yeah, thank you guys. I'll have some more clothing videos coming up because you guys are interested in seeing some of those, because I love just styling stuff for Instagram and things like that, so definitely. But oh, I was thinking of doing like the neon for 24 hours challenge or like something crazy like that. So if you guys are interested in that, leave some suggestions in the comment section below. Gotta be a real YouTuber. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much to DOLLS for sending me that stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Bye!